A sign in an elevator says the elevator can lift up to 450 kilograms. Amanda has 10 boxes that weigh 13 and 75 kilograms each, and a number of additional boxes that weigh 15 and 5/10 kilograms each. If she puts the 10 boxes on the elevator, how many of the additional boxes can be lifted in the same load? So we start off with the 10 boxes that each weigh 13 and 75 So 1375, and we know she has 10 of those. 1375, 1375. We could add those all up, or we could simply multiply 13.75 times 10. When we multiply by 10, everybody just shifts over one place value, and we get 137 and 5/10 kilograms. So that's how much those 10 boxes weigh. Let's erase these 10 boxes. Now we know the original elevator can hold 450 total. And we know those 10 boxes weigh 137.5. So we want to find out how much room is left. So we can subtract 450 minus 137.5. We're going to borrow 10 minus 5 is 5. We borrowed from, we need to make that a 10. Make that a 9, 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. When we subtract, we just bring down the decimal point. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So there are 312.5 kilograms remaining. At this point, we want to see how many of these 15.5 kilogram boxes can fit on the elevator. So let's make a new bar model. We have 312.5 kilograms left that we can put on the elevator, and we're dividing it up into boxes that are 15.5 kilograms big. We want to find how many of those we can fit in there. Hopefully by this point we see that this is a division problem. We're taking 312.5 and dividing it by 115.5. A couple ways to do this. I'm going to write these as fractions. So I'm going to write 312.5 is 1/2 divided by 15 and 1/2. Let's change those to fractions greater than 1. So 2 times 312 is 624, plus 1 is 625, over 2, divided by 2 times 15 is 30, plus 1 is 31 over 2. Now I'm going to rewrite my first fraction, change this to multiplication, and take the reciprocal of our second fraction. I love that I have a 2 here and a 2 here. I can simplify those, cancel those out, and I end up with 625 over 31, which, when we're answering a word problem, is not how we would like to leave our answer. So we need to divide 625 by 31. 31 will go into, well, it can't go into 6, but it can go into 62 twice. 2 times 31 is 62. Subtract, we get 0. We bring down the 5. 31 can't go into 5. And because we have to put full boxes on, it doesn't really matter that we have a remainder here. We want to see this answer here, 20. We can fit 20 additional boxes onto the same load, so we're going to put an answer statement. Amanda can fit 20 additional boxes on the elevator.